Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is NURUL IRDINA BINTI NOROL AZHAR with metric number 158513. And my name is NURUL BINTI JALIL with metric number 157619. We are third-year students of medical physics from the School of Physics. We are going to present about church rock uranium mill spill in 1979. Let's start with the history. In the mid of 20th century, the United States was heavily involved in nuclear activities. Church Rock, New Mexico was a key location for uranium mining, a crucial component for nuclear weapons. The United Nuclear Corporation, UNC, operated a uranium mill in Church Rock where they processed the extracted uranium ore. However, this process produced a significant amount of radioactive waste. On July 16, 1979, a disaster occurred at the Church Rock Mill. A breach in the dam of the waste disposal pond led to the release of over 1,100 short tons of radioactive waste and about 93 million US gallons of acidic radioactive tailing pollution into the Puerto River. This incident is the largest release of radioactive waste material in United States history, even surpassing the 3 Mile Island accident. The spill contaminated the Puerto River, which local Navajo peoples rely for drinking water, irrigation, and livestock. The Church Rock Mill incident is a stark reminder of the potential risks associated with uranium mining and the importance of proper safety measures in managing nuclear waste.
Today we dive into the causes behind the Church Rock uranium mill spill, a tragic environmental event that unfolded in 1979. Let's explore what led to this disaster. The answer lies in the heavy rainfall and overloading that overwhelmed the dam's capacity. In the summer of 1979, the region experienced heavy rainfall. The tailings pond became overloaded due to the combination of rainwater and the existing waste. The weakened dam couldn't withstand the pressure, leading to the catastrophic breach. But it's not just the rain. There were also concerns about the maintenance and safety practices at the mill, which is contribute to this disaster through human error and negligence. Poor maintenance practices play a significant role. The operators failed to address warning signs such as seepage and cracks in the dam. Their negligence allowed the situations to escalate until disaster struck. Next, we will explore the effects to understand how this single event had such a far-reaching impact.
Now, let's move the impact it had on the environment and the life of those affected. Firstly, the environmental impact. The spill released radioactive materials into the Puerto River. This contamination spread to the soil, plants, and wildlife, disrupting the local ecosystem. Secondly, the health consequences. The local residents, especially the Navajo people, were exposed to the radiation in their daily lives. This exposure led to serious health issues including cancer and birth defects. Thirdly, the economic disruption. The contamination of the river led to the collapse of local farming and ranching activities. This caused economic hardship for many families who relied on these industries for their livelihoods. Lastly, the social impact. The disaster led to the legal battles and raised awareness about the dangers of nuclear activities and become a rallying point for environmental justice movement, highlighting the need for stricter regulation and accountability.
Today we reflect on the critical lessons that stemming from the Church Rock uranium mill spill, an event that left an indelible mark on our environmental consciousness. Let us explore this lesson together. It emphasizes the importance of regulation and oversight. The church rock spill occurred due to lax oversights and inadequate regulation. The structural flaws in the tailings pond dam were known but not addressed promptly. The lesson that we can get is the vigilant monitoring and swift actions are essential to preventing disaster. The spill disproportionately affected Native American communities, especially the Navajo Nation. These historically marginalized groups bore the brunt of contamination. The lesson that we can learn is that equity must guide environmental policies and responses. Let us honor the victims of church rock by committing to a future where equity and preparedness guide our action. Together we can prevent such tragedies from repeating.
As we wrap up, we hope you now clearly understand the church rock uranium mill spill, its history, causes, effects, and essential lessons it offers.
Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery.